Ron the Mechanic here, back with another video, y'all. So today, as you can see, I'm in the garage. It's kind of cold outside there, man. Like, look, you see, I got the blue beanie on, man. You know, all jacket on. You know, trying to stay a little warm in the old garage. Now I do have a little heater going. Yes, you know, the little heat I can get up in here. So yeah, so you already know whenever time you see me in the garage, you already know we got some work about to go down. And so today I have my light for my car. This right here is a car trunk tail light. So pretty much with this, it was pretty much saying that you could mount it like on top. Well, see, like I have a wing already back here. It came from the factory. So pretty much like it can be mounted on the top of this. And then you got to run the wires pretty much like off to the side, whatever. And you're going to have to connect the wire to like each light on the side, left and right, because it's supposed to light up for like whenever you turn left, it'll blink left, and vice versa. Go right, it'll go right. So that's one spot that they recommend. But I'm looking at something different. I want to change it up. You know, I want to see if I can mount it up here instead across my roof. So that way, when you're looking at the back of the car, you know, you could probably actually see it more, like right up here. So that's what I'm looking at, you know. But that's pretty much my idea, because I really don't want to mount it back here for the simple fact, I mean, I know that it can curve, whatever, but I don't want to do that, you know. I want to keep the wires kind of hid and everything. You know, I just don't want it sticking out like that. So yeah, let's check this out. And let's see. And by the way, this right here, I found this on eBay. So yeah, and that's what it is. They got let me see, it's like two different ones. You got the first one is just a regular light that whenever you hit the brakes, it'll light up red. Of course, vice versa. When you hit your left signal, it'll show left. You hit your right, it'll show the right light blinking. So now this one here, it does that. Plus, it has the multi lights on it also. So let's unpack it and see what it's looking like. So this is the pack right here. This is how it comes. Yeah, bear with me. Got the light shining. What we got here? We got some little primer adhesive, little wipes, like alcohol wipes or something. Got two of them. What we got here? The product specifications. Y'all see it come with a remote. Okay. You got driving mode. You got yellow, purple, pink, ice blue, red, blue, green, white. Alright. And these are some like installation steps. Pretty much. Alright. Let's get to the bag. Let's see what we got right here. Big yellow cord. Let's go ahead and dump this out. See what we're working with. Alright. So here's the remote. right there. Okay. Alright, that's the battery that it uses, a CR2025. Okay, we'll put that aside. Okay. See what we got going on here. We got a long yellow wire. We got a black, white, blue, and a red. Okay. So this must be, okay, this must be like a Bluetooth module, must be or something here. See, it got the little code on there. Let me check that out. Let's see what we got here. Let's open this up. See what we got going on here. Okay, product features. Okay. Yeah, double flash, streams light from the middle to both ends. 2 steering, streamer from left to right. 8 colors to choose. Turn on the turn signal and select the color of the streamer. When next, all that there. What we got here? You see driving 9 light modes plus 8 fixed colors. See, we got all the wires right there. Blue, red, black, yellow, and white. Okay, carbon fiber model, black, waterproof. I don't really say too much on here. Well, hey, look, I guess I'll find out, y'all. Shoot, one way or the other, we'll see what's shaking with it. I mean, well, we do know this is the control box right here. So, hey, we'll get at it. So this is the actual product itself. I like this little gloss on here. So, kind of looks tough on there. So I'm gonna have to really like add some heat or something on it, you know, for to let it like stretch out. So that's what I'm gonna have to do with that. Okay. Yep, as y'all can see, it's kind of tightly wound up there a little bit. Damn, this stiff. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put a little heat on it, kind of like loosen it up. Yep, gonna have to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this right quick. Alright, so I unplugged the module. This is a little 3-pin connector. And all the wires right here. So let's take this bad boy to the back. Kind of like give y'all an idea of what I want to do to it. I know they say this here is supposed to go on the tail end of the trunk, but like I said, I want to do something a little different though. Oh my gosh. Trying to see would that go up here instead, but it can bend. Y'all kind of see where I'm going with it a little bit. So yeah, I would definitely want to do it like that. Yes, sir. And that bad boy stretched over there. I can make it fit. Yeah. Definitely want to do that. I don't mind bringing it out there full. Not at all. I definitely don't mind. Oh, let me just set it up here. Look at it. Don't want to agree with me. Look, we're gonna do this like this. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at, y'all. I wanted to go up on top. I want it to be right along here. So that way I can get a good visual. As y'all see, like I was saying, see how tight it is right there? So I'm gonna have to, like I said, put a little heat on it. Put my little heat gun on it and kind of like see what I can do. But like I said, see, I want to put it on this edge right here. So yeah, that's what I want to do right there. Yep. So let me take this down. So yeah, that's what I gotta do to this. I'm gonna have to warm it up. Cause like I said, this bad boy is stiff. I mean, real stiff. I mean, it's good and thick. Don't get me wrong now. But yeah, I'm gonna have to lay a little heat on it for to loosen it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my heat gun. And look, I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get it straight. All right, everybody, I am back. So I already had measured it out for the go on top. And just to let you know, I did had to do a cut on it, y'all. I had to splice off a good little bit of it for where I want to mount it at. So I was kind of wondering, I'm like, hey, it's all or nothing, you know, go ahead and make the cut. So I pretty much got it where it's gonna go right across here, y'all. And like I said, I made my cut. So hey, let's cross our fingers, make sure it works now. Okay, here's the control box. So yeah, let's make sure this works, y'all. That's all I can say. Let's make sure it works. After I done did my cut. So okay, let's get this situated here. Okay, like I said, here's the box. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do a test run. Put that back on, connected. Let me see. Alright, we got the black and red. So good. We're gonna go with that. Go ahead and use my other 12 volt thing. God dog it, I got stuff falling all over the place. Let's see that right quick. Go ahead and get this a shot, y'all. Get my little black, get the negative. Plug it in. Tap it on with that. My red one. Tap it on. Alright. Moment of truth, y'all. Moment of truth. So I got the red and the black on. I got it hooked up to my little starter pack. I'm gonna turn the light off just to see. Alright, so I got it pitch black, y'all. Let's see if this thing come on. Oh, we in business. Yes. Yes. It's on, y'all. Alright. Alright, so that cut did feel pretty good. Let's turn the light off. Yeah. Okay. So let's try this remote. Let's see. Brightness. Oh, okay. Alright. Y'all can see that pretty good in that. Alright, let me turn the lights off so y'all can really see that. Very good. Okay. Working out a little bit. That's the right. Check out the demo mode. Alright, we got something working. White. Alright, so we are lit up. That is good. I'll go ahead and turn the power off. And disconnect those pieces. Okay. Whew. Man. I was kind of wondering, oh man, don't let this be messed up, but yeah. It could, it is kind of thick, y'all. I can tell you that now. So, alright. So now it's kind of cold again. So we got it. So we got some power to it. So now, here comes the fun part. I'm gonna have to stretch this back out again, y'all. I'm gonna take my heat gun and kind of like heat it up to where it can kind of like stretch out some. Cause right now it's a little chilly out here. And trying to make it do what it do, y'all. But hey, that was a good sign seeing that it was on. So once I get it heated up and stretched out, and the fun part starts right here. Doing all the connecting of the wires, y'all. So yeah, I will get back to y'all once I get through heating up and get these wires connected. Alright, y'all. So now when you get ready, before you get ready to install the light, wherever that you go put it, make sure you use the little patch that they gave with it, you know. It's basically like a little alcohol wipe, whatever, something to clean the area that you go use. So that way you can make sure that it's free of dirt or anything, whatever. Go ahead and, like I said, go ahead and use this here that came with it. Go ahead and clean your spot off that you go use, and just let it dry for a few minutes, whatever. And then you can go ahead and start to do your install. Now what I did on my light, see I got it down here on the floor. I got some weight added to it for the kind of like stretch it out. But also, I kind of use my heat gun to kind of go back and forth over it. Pretty much to heat it up a little bit. So that way it can unfold. and be easy for the stretch out. Now, it'd have been a whole lot easier if it was say like hot outside, and that way I could have just set it outside just like this here, and just let that sun bake on it for a good little bit, maybe about a good 15, 20 minutes, whatever, so, or 30 minutes, or however long that you want, and that way it'll soften it up real good, so that way it won't curl up on you, and then you can go ahead and start your process. So mine should be about ready, and see, these here are some little adhesive stickers here. That's for those corners right there, for to go on the bottom part, for to make it stick. So that's what I'm waiting for, y'all. Got it laid out and got my area clean. So my area is clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it off the floor, and unpeel the sticker and go ahead and put it on there. So I'll be back with y'all once I get it installed. Alright everybody, I'm back. So I got the light bar mounted up right above the window, and what I did, I traced the wire, went through the gap right there by the glass, just pretty much follow that little groove down there. Alright, now back here I had to kind of like get my multimeter out and kind of like figure out which was the turning signal lights and which one was the positive one for when you turn on the lights, turn them off, and the brake light. So on my Nissan, I found out I'm using these first three right here. This red, blue, and green. So this white one, that's my brake. The red one, that's when I turn on the lights, and the blue is when I do my turn signal. And so this yellow one is going to the turn signal side over there. So, all right, y'all, let's give it a shot. Let's see what we got here. See if I can set y'all up in a good little spot where y'all can see. Alright. Try to get this straight a little bit. Alright. Let's see if it works. See what we got. Okay, alright. Got some light going. Alright, let's hit a turn signal. Let's see what we get. Alright. We got a left turn signal going. Hit a right one. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so we're working on that. Alright. Tell if it's lighting up like that or not. Not sure did it come on or not. Alright, so that's with the lights on. Okay. My left signal. Alright. And my right. Okay. Alright. Got that lit. Alright, let me try this remote. Let's see what we got going on. Okay. Alright, I got a little flip going on. Little flash. Alright, got a little chasing going on there. Okay, I'm gonna hit demo. Alright, hit the mode. Like the red. Color change. Alright, take it back to red again. Alright, y'all, it's not too bad. I mean, it works. But the only thing, though, I would say is the instructions, how should I say it? The instructions are trash, though, really. They really don't give you too much guidance, you know, pretty much for it's like what goes where on it, you know. That's kind of the downfall on it, pretty much. But for it's trying to find your light connections, now that's where you gotta, like I say, pretty much take your multimeter and try to find out which is which, you know. Either have somebody to help you when they press the brake so that way you can tell if the lights come on and everything. But, jeez. Okay, that's my left. And that's my right. Off. Now I can't tell if it come on or not. Let's see. I'm gonna use this board so I can see if the lights come on or not. I press the brake pedal. Let me see. Okay. Come on. Alright. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much it. So I kind of like it a little bit, you know. Now that light is supposed to like go on your trunk lid, but like I said, I already have a factory wing on the back, factory spoiler already, which you know has a brake light on it. So I didn't want to install it on top of it. Then plus you're talking about with the wire coming out of it on the end, you know, I didn't want anything hanging off the side over here. So that's why I pretty much decided to mount it up top right here. And I'm gonna finish like tucking this down some more with my little pry tool up in that gap. So yeah. Didn't come out too bad, y'all. I mean, I ain't perfect with it, but hey, it do what it do. I like it though. So yeah, take all that time. I'm gonna tidy it up. Pretty much get everything, put everything back together. Now that I found my wires on there, so I'm gonna be good to go. And like I said, these were the instructions that came with it. So, and I could pretty much tell you, if you get this same model light, like I said, remember the white one, that's gonna go towards whatever line on your car, which is your brake light. Whenever you hit the brakes, that's what the white one gonna connect to, and the red wire is gonna connect to the line that has power whenever you turn your lights on. And the blue one on this particular model here is going towards the left signal output on there, and the yellow wire is going to connect to the right side, whatever line that is on your car that turn the right signal on. So that's pretty much it for those wires on that. And then plus you got your black, which is your ground. So that is it, y'all. I mean, like I said, it's not bad though. I mean, I got it mounted up there. Don't look too bad. You know? Don't look too bad at all. Then plus I like it because it got that carbon fiber look to it. So yeah. That is pretty much it, y'all. So look, also remember, like I said, if you get this product here, it's gonna come kind of curled up, so your best bet is, say like it's kind of chilly outside right now, so your best bet would be get you a heat gun, like what I got. Get you a heat gun and unravel it, put it down on the ground, and put you some weight on it. So that way it could kind of like press it down and put your heat on it, kind of like warm it up a little bit, so that way it can kind of like stretch and lay down. Because that pretty much, it'll make it much easier for you to install it. Because if you just try and install it the way it is straight out the box, it's going to give you trouble. So that's the best way to do that. That's my suggestion right there. Or even better, if you install this here and it's warm weather outside, now that'd be a good advantage for you that way, because you can set it outside, put a little weight on it, just let the sun bake on it about a good, I would probably say a good 15, you can go much as 30 minutes, just let that sun just bake on it. That way it'll come out straight. So, but hey, I like the way it came out though. Not bad, not bad. And I went for that because, like I said, my car, it sits low anyway. It is a small car, so that way whoever driving behind me, now I got more visibility where they can see when I tap the brakes, so that light gonna be shining right out. So yeah, that's it, y'all. So I got a little work to do. Gonna put this back together, all that down. And by the way, I'm installing this here on a 2015 Nissan Versa. So every other vehicle is going to be a little different. So I mean, the wires and everything is going to be far different from this one right here. So but that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm gonna finish up getting all this together, which ain't gonna be too bad. So hey, I appreciate all my new subscribers out there. Thank you very much, and appreciate all my old ones for rocking with me. Hey, whatever the installation job that I do, hey, look, I'm gonna try and bring it to y'all. So hey, that way, look, you can get the courage up and try to tackle it your own self. Hey, don't be scared now. Just take your time with it. I know some of these products got some not too good instructions, I'm gonna put it like that, but take your time with it. Hey, you can get the job done just like I did. Hey, I'm gonna do it yourself, and that's what I do. Everything on this car, I did myself. Everything. all up and down. So, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna be doing a little something to that, to the sub box end plates that I made. So I'm gonna be coming at y'all with another video on that. But yeah, until then, look, I just gotta clean this mess up here. I'm gonna be all right though. And look, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And make sure you turn that notification bell on. Cause I got a lot more work down the line to do, y'all. A lot more work to do. Plenty of it. So hey. It's a chilly day out here. Like y'all see, I got the heater going out here. That's the only way I'm surviving out here, y'all. Whew. Yes, indeed. So, this DJ Ron the mechanic here. Look, y'all. I'm about to tighten this up, and so I can get back inside and stay a little warm, you know. And hey, look, a shout out to my boy, Mr. 78 Chevy Boy. Hey, man. Y'all go check him out. Also, my big bro, Swole 55, go check him out. And also, Catfish Corner, Master Detail, hey, go check him out, man. I'm saying, look, them guys there got me going right in the car game, man. I'm trying to get up there, but make sure y'all go check them out. And also, make sure y'all go check out my wife's channel, Nancy B. the Scratcher. Check her out, too. And everybody, look, I'm about to go take care of this business so I can get out this cold. I'm out of here, y'all. Check y'all later. As I always say, on to the next install.